What is the first thing you do when you wake up? Do you grab your phone, jump out of bed, rush for coffee, or start thinking about everything waiting for you today? For most people over 60, those reactions feel normal. But your body does not wake up instantly. In the first minutes after sleep, your heart, blood vessels, and nervous system are transitioning. How you handle those moments can shape how your body responds all day. Today, I'll show a simple morning routine to support your heart, boost energy, and make mornings safer after 60. It takes only a few minutes and no special equipment. Stay until the end. The final habit many older adults overlook can change your whole morning. Aging brings wisdom and experience, but after 60 the body becomes more sensitive to sudden changes. How you move, hydrate, and handle stress during that transition from sleep to waking matters. Many people focus on big things like diet, meds, walking, and blood pressure checks, and those matter. But small, repeated behaviors in the first moments of waking are often ignored. Your circulation and nervous system need a gentle bridge from rest to activity. Giving your body a little extra time is a smart habit. Mistake: reaching for your phone immediately. The phone is often the first thing we touch, but your brain just left a resting state. Diving into messages, news, or notifications can spike stress and make your mind race before your body has adjusted. For older adults with stress or blood pressure concerns, that early stimulation may not be ideal. Try a short screen-free moment. Sit quietly, breathe deeply for a few breaths, and let your mind wake naturally. You don't need an hour. Even a few calm minutes help. Mistake: drinking coffee before hydrating. Coffee is fine, but during sleep, you lose water. Waking up dehydrated and then having coffee can stress your body. Start with a glass of water to rehydrate, then enjoy coffee. This simple reorder supports normal body function without extra cost or effort. Mistake: jumping up immediately. After lying down for hours, your circulation is in rest mode. Standing suddenly can cause dizziness or lightheadedness. Create a gentle transition. Stay still for a few moments, wiggle your fingers and toes, breathe, sit up slowly, place your feet on the floor, then stand with control. Those extra seconds can prevent instability and make mornings feel safer. Mistake: skipping breakfast or choosing the wrong first meal. Breakfast should provide steady energy. Instead of sugary pastries or processed snacks, aim for a mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. For example, eggs with vegetables, plain yogurt with nuts and fruit, or oatmeal with seeds. Small, consistent improvements matter more than perfection. Mistake: exercising intensely immediately. Exercise is excellent after 60, but avoid jumping from rest into high-intensity activity. Begin with gentle movement, slow walking, light stretching, and a brief warm-up. When your body feels ready, increase intensity. Think of warming up a car in cold weather. Your body benefits from a gradual start. Mistake: starting the day with stress. Many people awake already worrying about appointments, responsibilities, or health concerns. Stress in those first moments can set a tense tone. Try a brief pause before checking devices or planning the day. Breathe slowly, relax your shoulders, and focus on something positive or a moment of gratitude. That calm pause helps your mind transition smoothly. The biggest mistake: rushing from sleep directly into full activity. Treating waking like a switch, from sleep to full speed, ignores the body's need for a bridge. A few minutes of preparation can change your whole morning. Try this simple routine tomorrow. Wake up slowly. Take several comfortable breaths. Sit up gradually. Drink a glass of water. Stand carefully and begin with gentle movement like a short walk or light stretches. Then continue your normal routine. Start small. Put a glass of water by your bed, wait before checking your phone, or sit quietly a few breaths before standing. Consistency beats perfection. Your body responds to daily habits, not one-off efforts. Imagine Robert, 72. He used to rush. Alarm, out of bed, phone, coffee, tasks. He felt tired and rushed. He changed one thing. He slowed his mornings, drank water first, and moved gently. After weeks, his mornings felt easier and more comfortable. Small changes had a big impact. If you're over 60, remember, your morning sets the tone for your day. You don't need to rush or ignore your body's signals. A few extra minutes of care can make a meaningful difference. Move with intention, start with patience, and treat your body as a partner. If this helped you, share it with someone you care about. Now I'd love to hear from you. What is the first thing you do when you wake up? Do you check your phone, drink coffee, get out of bed immediately, or take a few quiet moments? Share your experience. It might help someone else. Take care. Your body has carried you for decades. Give it the care it deserves.